Hello all, welcome back to Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about implementation of recognition model for ancient Kannada epigraphs using image processing. I will explain you the abstract first. Our abstract outlines a project focused on the automated recognition and transcription of Asian text using CNN, implemented on a Raspberry Pi 3B device. The recognizing Asian manuscripts is difficult due to their fragment, degraded, and varied style. This project introduced an innovative deep learning approach to overcome these challenges. Now, I'll explain introduction. The complexity of recognizing ancient Kannada text and the role of convolution neural network in improving the process. First, the language and scripts in Kannada is spoken by more than 60 million people in India and use and where each character represents a consonant or vowel. The text is typically written dialogically from left to right, and then the history significance is one of the oldest Dravidian language. Kannada has a richer history and its heritage is preserved in a larger collection of ancient manuscripts. These texts are important for linguistic and historical studies. Our challenges, our challenge in text recognition is that the ancient Kannada text is difficult due to script's intricate structure, which includes civilian forms and loops and stacked graphs. Traditionally, method of recognizing these scripts require extensive manual labor and are prone to error. The role of CNN is to use the CNN in this field has greatly improved the accuracy and efficiency of recognizing the Kannada scripts. CNN can automatically learn patterns in a complex data, making them well suited for recognizing the layered characteristics of Kannada text. This reduces the needs for manual effort and minimize the error, thus revolutionizing the interpretation of historical documents. In our now, history of Kannada, history of Kannada text recognition, the early manual method is used for optimal character recognition systems with basic and struggled with printed text recognition. In late 20th century, the rule-based OCR systems were developed by Kannada, which worked based on predefined rules but were limited by font and handwriting variations. Machine learning integration in 2000s, machine learning like supported machine and intent Markov models improved Kannada text recognition, focusing on feature extraction and pattern recognition. And then in deep learning era, it was around 2010s, saw CNN enhancing accuracy in recognition Kannada text, including handwriting variation and font size. Recurrent neural network and transform-based models further improve contextual and sequential information process. Now, in current trend, uh, today the multilingual models and contextual understanding of Kannada text are during improved and driving improvement in recognition systems. Methodology. In methodology, first we have used data acquisition and pre-processing. This is nothing but all the images are pre-processed through grayscale conversion and binarization and edge detection. This prepares the data for accurate feature extraction, and we are using edge detection and cropping. Edge detection and cropping. In canning edge detection, algorithm is commonly used to identify and delete edges in historical Kannada scripts, and smoothing is for image smoothing. It is for to reduce the noise and improve the image clarity, which is essential for text segmentation. And then in character segmentation, the segment it breaks down the textual text into individual characters or words, ensuring the accurate recognition of Kannada characters and symbols. Here, the Kannada text recognition has evolved from manual methods to advanced deep learning technique, particularly in CNNs, improving the accuracy and efficiency of interpreting historical Kannada manual scripts. Now, I'll explain the code now. Yeah, this is our code. Here, I have defined training here. In this, I will use CNN network. First, it will occupy 32 features and then 64 features here. And then, based on our class length, our density will be updated like seven or like four or three will come to the class name. And then our model is compiled using optimizer as Adam, and loss function is categorical class entropy because we are binary class function. So that we are doing this. And then I have created a GUI here. Now our trained model text recognition model that Keras our software updated here. And then by using load image functions, by using load image and labels, I have imported the data sets here. And then by using tesseract executable, I give a path to tesseract here. Now, and we have cleared some unwanted characteristics which will be extracted from this. This is what this. Now I will run this program, so you have a good idea about this. Here, this is the GUI. Now upload any one of the image. Yeah, here you can see this was the ancient image. It was that was in the image. It was Asian text that was an image. It was extracted very clear by using CNN. I'll upload some other image. That's it. Yeah, you can see this one. I hope you enjoyed our video. For more Python videos, you can follow our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.